All right. So we wanted to set some realistic expectations about Facebook and Instagram ads because we've seen a lot of people jump onto the platform um, to save their business, and their expectations weren't in the right place, and they weren't committed for the long haul. So I know that all of that information might have sounded a little much, a little heavy, as we talked about. Do you have all of these things? Can you check all these boxes? But Facebook and Instagram ads are far, far less scary than you might think. And we promise at the end of this course, you will be able to navigate the platform, create a strategy, and set up your ads with absolutely no problem. It truly was built so that everyone could utilize this awesome and amazing targeting power and of social media to build and grow their business. So we're going to run through a couple of reasons why Facebook and Instagram is exactly the place that you should be starting your paid media. All right, you guys. So hopefully, if you are in this course, you saw that the main integration site that we're going to be talking about here is integrating Facebook and Instagram ads with your Shopify store. And the magic of Facebook and Instagram ads comes in those moments when everyone likes to think that their phone is listening to you, because all of a sudden you're getting ads for the brand that you talked about one time. Well, I'm not necessarily in a place to say whether your phone is listening to you or not, but we know how those ads, made it to you, and you can make ads do the exact same thing. Every Facebook ad account is connected to a Facebook pixel, and we'll talk a little bit more about that later. But basically, it's a tracker that looks at who's been to your website or your social media pages, and the different actions that they've taken there. And using Shopify has this super, super smooth and seamless connection right into Facebook and Instagram ads, and it walks you through every single step. So that pixel ends up on your Shopify store, and now every single visitor that ever comes, you can target them in a variety of ways. So if you are jumping onto this platform, you're also probably hoping to expand your audience out to new people. You're trying to grow your brand, and growing your brand comes with putting new people. Well, the power of Facebook and Instagram comes into play right here. So when you're creating ads, you'll get the option to decide who, what, when, where, and why someone might see your ads. And that who section can be remarkably powerful. So for example, you could send ads targeting specifically women under the age of 40 who live in only major cities, that travel frequently, that like luxury goods, vegan food, and are super into entrepreneurship. And these Affinity Audiences are a great way to expand your reach, or test just different customer personas. And the options are essentially limitless. You can leverage things like gender and age, geographic location, likes, dislikes. You can target your different placements. So even inside of Facebook, you can decide you only want those ads to go on someone's Facebook newsfeed, or you only want them to pop up when somebody is inside of Facebook Messenger. On Instagram, you can choose just Instagram story or Instagram timeline. So there's all of these levers that you can pull inside, and the Affinity Audiences is such a great way to expand out to brand new people that look and feel like your current customers, but have maybe never actually interacted with your brand before. So the last piece here are custom audiences. So custom audiences are really the superpower of Facebook and Instagram, because they can directly target people who have already interacted with your business, or who look exactly like people who have already interacted with your business. This is where the power of that Facebook pixel comes in. Again, we'll cover more on it later, so don't worry too much. But it allows you to track specific actions that customers or prospective customers have taken. For instance, it'll allow you to target people who may have visited your website and not made a purchase, viewed a specific product page, visited your Instagram profile, or you could even create an audience of people that are basically 99% similar to all of the people who are already interacting with your website or already on your email list. So custom audiences on Facebook and Instagram are the secret weapon and the secret sauce for every paid media strategy.